Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to create a purchase order in Zoho. First, open your browser and then type in Zoho. Click on Zoho.com. It's a cloud software suite for businesses. Once you're on the home page, navigate to Zoho Books and set up your account if you haven't already. On the Zoho Books dashboard, you'll find various sections like items, banking, sales purchase, time, tracking, account reports, and more. To create a purchase order, go to the Purchases section. Under this tab, select Vendors. Here you can import existing vendors or create a new one by clicking New. Fill in the necessary details like the display name. Once your vendor is added, look for the option to create a new transaction, then select Purchase Order. Just fill in the required details and save. And that's it. You've successfully created a purchase order in Zoho Books. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching!